In our society, people don't admire those who need to be moved. In this society, we have characters who are like Uberus, who have to be pushed to do this. We say they are reactive people. But society admires people who are proactive. Proactive people are people who are going to make decisions, quick decisions. They are going to do things without being pushed. They are going to do things without being supervised. They are self-driven. And you see in every organization, and even the family, they like people who are proactive people. Now, what are the characteristics of people who are proactive? One, they are different breed of people. They have got different characteristics. They are movers of things. They are action-oriented. They can be able to make things happen. They don't wait for things to happen. They make them happen. And these people, proactive people, they take responsibility for their choices. Whatever choice they have taken, whatever decision they have taken, even if this goes awry, they take responsibility. They say, I am the one who is responsible. I did this, and so I don't want to blame anyone. I don't want to blame situation. I don't want to blame my parents. I don't want to blame my boss. I don't want to blame my organization. I am the one who is responsible for whatever happened. So these people, they take responsibility for their choices. They also think before they act. Before they take action, they weigh the pros and the cons. They are very good in decision making. They don't get to short-circuit decisions. They weigh, and before they act, they have already interrogated various options before acting. Then these people, they also bounce back. Even when something bad happens, they don't stay there and lament. They also have got resilience. They are people who can survive in the midst of difficult circumstances. So when things go wrong, even if they were aiming at something and the things did not happen, they don't lament. They are simply going to take a detour, and finally they are going to get to their goal. Then you find that these people, proactive people, they are always find a way to move forward. They don't go backward. They always find a way to progress. They are progressive people. And they focus on things which they can do something. They focus on something. They want to make a change. They don't want to procrastinate and say probably I can do it some years back. It is a now moment. They don't want to postpone things. It is a now moment. And this is actually the characteristics of proactive people. They don't want to have a procrastination, or what we call the banana syndrome, where you postpone things to tomorrow. So these people, they are also, if things don't seem to happen, they always try to find another way. They don't keep on struggling on something, but they always find alternatives. They have not a question even of plan B. These people can have even plans up to set. This is an action, this is a behavior of proactive people. They are not going to have only one option. And these people, proactive people, they also think without the box. People tell people it is important to think outside the box. These proactive people don't even have the box. They like to live in a world where they don't have boxes. And I would encourage people, even if you are not proactive, I would encourage you, think of a world without a box. The box is trying to restrict your life because it has four corners, and so it limits your thinking. Remove the box. Thank you very much. I would encourage you to become a proactive people. And if you are feeling your suggestions, I would actually encourage you to put it in my comment section. I also value and appreciate those people who have been giving me suggestions and even making inputs to my previous videos. Thank you very much. Have an amazing day.